Buenos días. All right, we're on the third subobjetivo of this unit. Puedo describir los muebles en mi casa. Muebles, it always reminds me of marbles, but muebles is furniture. Okay, so somebody might say, describe tu sala, or ¿cómo es tu sala? So describe your living room, or how is your living room? Like, what is it like? So the nice thing about this is we are going to have very similar sentence frames that we've used with the last two. So we can start with, instead of mi casa es, we're going to say mi sala es. And then we can use ordenada. So it's organized, it's nice. Then we can use that same sentence frame, tiene. Tiene un sofá. And then we're just going to start to list all the things that are in our room. So it's very similar to what we've done before. I think the biggest thing is to learn new vocab. So tiene un sofá, un televisor, una lámpara, una planta, una ventana, tres mesitas. I'm calling this a mesita. Sometimes when you're not sure exactly what that piece of furniture is, you can just go with it. Unas estanterías y un cuadro. That could have been a mirror, but I'm calling it a picture. I don't know. Hard to tell in pictures sometimes. So, now something you could do if you want to do a little bit higher proficiency level is start to add more details. So, tiene un sofá azul, or una lámpara blanca, or tres mesitas blancas. You can add the color. Remember, the color goes after the word. In English, we'd say a blue sofa. In Spanish, a sofa blue. Okay? Or tables, whites. We can even make the color plural. All right. Describe tu dormitorio. Describe your room. ¿Cómo es tu dormitorio? What is your room like? How is your room? So, mi dormitorio es desordenado. We're going to use that es again, right? It is, and you can describe the general state. Now, in this case, instead of saying tiene, which I could say, I'm going to say, en mi dormitorio hay. In my bedroom there is, or there are, una cama, un escritorio, una ventana, un cartel, y un espejo. All right. And then let's try a kitchen. Describe tu cocina. ¿Cómo es tu cocina? Mi cocina es ordenada. En mi cocina hay un refrigerador, una estufa, un horno, una mesa, dos sillas, dos plantas y una ventana. And again, with a few more details, for instance, un refrigerador gris or dos sillas rojas. So we can add the color. And that is basically how it goes with this objetivo. I think you guys are going to ace it. Work on that vocab so that you can describe what's in your room. Buena suerte. Good luck.